Hello students. Now we will see the concept of arc of the circle. We have studied about the tangent of a circle. Now you know what is meant by tangent of the circle, as well as you know about the touching circles. Now we will see the concept of arc of the circle. Now see here, arc of the circle. What is meant by arc of the circle? Okay, here is a circle. I will draw a line. I have drawn a line here. Okay, now what happens? This line intersects the circle in 2 points. While passing through the circle, obviously it will intersect the circle. This line is known as secant. It is intersecting the circle. Or if instead of line, if I will draw a chord here, then this chord is also intersecting. It is dividing the circle in two parts. Agree? Now this part, suppose here is the chord AB. If I am extending this point A towards this direction, point B towards this direction, then this AB is a secant. This chord AB is dividing the circle in two parts. Then this each part is known as, this part also is known as arc of the circle, including this endpoints. So by this chord, circle is divided in two parts. Then each part of the circle with this endpoints is known as arc of the circle. So this is the arc of the circle, and this is also arc of the circle. But here what happens? Due to this chord, circle is divided and each part is known as arc of the circle. This is clear. But one part, now here is, suppose here is chord AB, then this part is known as center sided part. This center sided part is major arc. This part of the arc is major arc, and opposite part is minor arc. So now we can say that chord of the circle divides the circle in two. When chord divides the circle into unequal part, then one part is major arc and remaining part is minor arc. But if the chord of the circle is the diameter, longest chord is known as diameter, then this circle is divided in two equal parts. Each part is again known as arc of the circle, but this is semicircular arc. This is semicircular arc. Semicircle, measure of the circle is 360 degree. It is divided in two equal parts. So measure of each part is 180 degree. Therefore, semicircular arc is, measure of semicircular arc is 180 degree. If the measure of the arc is more than 80 degree, then it is a major arc, and if it is less than 180 degree, then this is the minor arc. Okay. Now how can we write down arc of the circle? While writing name of arc of the circle, the end points are very important. Suppose here A and B are the endpoints. According to the basic knowledge of the geometry, you know that every geometrical figure is made by lot of points. So in between A and B there are so many points, but while writing name of the arc you can highlight any point from this lot of points. So we can write down arc is APB. This is also correct. Arc is AQB. This is also correct. Okay. So the 8 points are important, or we can say that by using only 2 points we can write down name of the arc. Means what? If I am writing arc PQ, this is also correct because P and Q can be separated by the circle. Therefore, this PQ is also correct name of arc of the circle. These arcs, now when we know the measure of the arc of the circle, then arcs can be added or subtracted like measure of angles. Angles can be added, can be subtracted. Similarly, arcs can be added, can be subtracted. One most important point is that here is a center of the circle. This is O, and OA and OB. These are the radius of the circle. Now, are you observing here? Here is an angle. Okay. In this angle, vertex of the angle is center of the circle. Vertex is center of the circle. This angle is known as central angle. This is central angle, and the property of the central angle is measure of central angle is equal to the corresponding minor arc. So measure of angle AOB will be equal to measure of arc AB. Thus, this is all about the arc of the circle. Thank you.